Dear 10th class students, today's mathematics chapter 11 trigonometry. On this, today's topic is trigonometric identities. Now I am going to explain you about trigonometric identities formulae. The first one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Second one is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Third one is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. These three formulae are at most important in 10th class as well as in intermediate also. These type of so many formulae I have derived in this place. These are also at most important in your talent test examinations, APR, TS, RJC and Polyset examination also. Okay. The first one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. When cos square theta is transferred from one in this place to this place, the sign will be changed. Okay. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equals to square root of 1 minus cos square theta plus or minus. Sin theta is equals to plus or minus square root of cos square theta. Or when we are applying square root on both sides, square and roots are cancelled. Sin theta is equals to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, cos square theta, the minus cos square theta, it will become cos square theta 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta, when you are applying square root on both sides, cos theta is equals to plus or minus square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, this one and this one also at most important in the exercise problems. Sin theta is equals to square root of plus or minus 1 minus cos square theta. 1 means 1 square, we can assume 1 is 1 square. 1 square minus cos square means a square minus b square. A square minus b square form, what is the formula for ab square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Okay. A plus b into a minus b, so that we have to write this one as 1 square minus cos square theta, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, x plus y into x minus a plus b into a minus b. Okay, same thing you have to write in this place also. Cos theta is equals to square root of 1 minus cos square theta. You have to change this one into 1 square minus sin square. It seems to be like a square minus b square. You have to write this one as a plus b into a minus b, means 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Cos theta is equal to square root of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. The second formula is, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus minus cot square theta will become plus cot square theta when it goes from left to right. Cosec theta is equals to, means when you are applying square root on both sides, square root of 1 plus cos square theta, square and this root get cancelled, you will get cosec theta. Cosec theta is equals to plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos square theta. Okay, 1 plus cos square theta is equals to cosec square theta. You have to write this one as in the left side, right side cosec square theta you have to write in the left side, cosec square theta you have to write in the right side. Okay, cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, when you are applying square root of on both sides, square and root get cancelled. Cot theta is equals to plus or minus square root of cosec square theta minus 1. These two also at most important formulas in the exercise problems. Cosec theta, here you see cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta seems to be formula a square minus b square. There seems to be like in this way. A square minus b square. What is the formula for a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. A plus b means cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta, that is equals to 1. Same thing, same type of formula is also there here. Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Instead of cosec theta, you have to write sec square theta. Instead of cot theta, tan theta. These formulae you have to write your own without seeing this one. Okay, now I'm explaining this one also. Sec square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Sec theta, when you are applying square root on both sides, square root and this square root and square get cancelled, you will get sec theta is equals to plus or minus square root of 1 plus tan square theta. sec theta, this is the utmost important. 1 plus tan square theta is equals to x square theta. Tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1. When you are applying square on both sides, square root on both sides, square root and this 2 get cancelled. Tan theta is equals to plus or minus square root of sec square theta minus 1. Okay. This one also seems to be sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta is equals to 1. Okay, a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, thank you. Trigonometric identities: sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Second identity is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Third one is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. The first one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. How to prove sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1? The first trigonometric identity, it is at most important. It may be asked in the examination within the 2 marks. 2 marks questions also. Prove sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Take one right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle ABC, this is the angle theta, opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Let angle C is equals to theta. For an angle C, C దృష్ట్యా C కి ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ ఏంటిది AB కాబట్టి యాంగిల్ కి ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ ఏంటిదమ్మా AB. ఓకే, AB. adjacent side is BC. hypotenuse means opposite to 90 degrees is the hypotenuse, means AC. Okay, now sin square theta plus cos square theta మాత్రమే అడిగాడు కాబట్టి sin theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AB by hypotenuse is AC. Cos theta is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BC by AC. Okay, cos theta is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse, BC by AC. According to Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. The hypotenuse square is equals to sum of the remaining, the square of the sum of the remaining 2 sides. Okay, AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. AB square means AB square by plus BC square is equals to AC square. Dividing each one means this one, each one with AC square. ఇటువైపు both sides లో dividing each one with AC square means divide both sides by AC square. AC square తో రెండు వైపులా మన AC square తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే ఎలా ఉంటుందో చూద్దాం. AB square plus BC square by AC square is equals to AC square by AC square. Okay, this one AB square by AC square by AC square plus BC square by AC square తో డివిజన్ చేశాను దీని విడివిడిగా is equals to AC square by AC square means 1. ఓకే, దీన్ని ఎలా రాస్తున్నా అంటే AB by AC whole square రాస్తున్నాను. దీన్ని BC by AC whole square రాస్తున్నాను is equals to 1. AB by AC అంటే మీకు తెలుసు కదా, ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది ఆల్రెడీ. AB by AC అంటే sin theta whole square plus BC by AC అంటే ఇంతకుముందు మనం ఏం రాసుకున్నాం, cos theta whole square రాసి is equals to 1. sin theta whole square means sin square theta, cos theta whole square means cos square theta is equals to 1. చూసారా ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ ఐడెంటిటీ ఎలా ప్రూవ్ చేయడం జరిగిందో. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.